Stay tuned for learning this sci-fi animation on our channel Think Sci-Fi. Click A and delete for removing everything. Then click Shift A curve path. Then click RY90 for rotation. Then press Tab key for edit mode. Select the move icon and click on the top edge and bend it little bit. Then select the bottom edge and bend it in the same direction. Click the tab icon and come back to the object mode. Go to the modifiers tab and add screw modifier. And select X in the axis. Again press tab key. Then again press tab key. Adjust the edges. Come back to the object mode. Click on the object. Then go to convert to mesh. Click the right key of the mouse and select set flat. Go to the modifiers tab and add decimate modifier. Bring the ratio down and then apply it. Now add wireframe in the modifiers and increase the thickness if required. Now we have to add plane by clicking Shift A. Then click S8. Click the button just above the tab button and select front. Select the move tool and move the pillar just above the plane by pressing Ctrl key. Always try to save your project so that you do not lose it. Again press the button just above the tab key and select top and move the pillar with the help of move tool. Now press Shift D and make a duplicate of the pillar and fill the plane with pillars. Again select front view and make a duplicate of plane and set it over the top of the pillars. Now select left and add a camera by pressing Shift A. Set the camera at the center with the help of move tool and Ctrl key. Now select back and set the camera at the end of the pillars. Go to the camera setting and reduce the focal length up to 25. I am selecting 10 on the location axis of the camera. Go to the render setting and reduce the world setting completely black. Add a point light by pressing Shift A and set it to the left corner with the help of move tool. Increase the power up to 500. Change the color whatever you want. I am selecting pink. Make a duplicate of light by pressing Shift D and set it to the right corner and change the color also. I am selecting yellow. Now click on the plane and click H for hiding them. Click on the pillar and go to the material setting and add a new material and adjust this setting according to me. If you are enjoying the animation, please follow me on Instagram also. You will enjoy many more animations on my Instagram. And if you want to download this, you can go to my Shutterstock portfolio. Link are provided in the description. In Shutterstock you can get many more projects created by me and you can use them in your own project. Hide the camera and press A for selecting every pillar and press Ctrl L and select material. This will add the material to each and every pillar. Hide both the planes and save it. It is good habit. Click on the plane and go to the setting tab. Go to the render setting and click new. Add a bump node by pressing Shift A. Connect normal to the normal. Then add Voronoi texture and connect color to the height. And press Ctrl T if you enable node wrangler and connect it with the object. Go to the edit preferences add-on, search Node Wrangler and click the box for enabling Node Wrangler. Select Chebyshev in Voronoi texture and smooth F1. Turn the randomness 0 and Smoothness 0.100. Click on the top plane and apply material 002 on it. Then go to the solid view and hide the camera again. Press A for selecting everything, then M key. Select new collection and give some name to it and OK. Now go to the front view, then press Shift D and select your new collection in Collection Instant. Here I am selecting pillar. Then moving it with the help of Move tool and Control key. Better view, go to the top view. Now press Shift D and make a duplicate of it and adjust it according to me. Now unhide the camera and press 0 for the camera view. Go to the render view. Now it's look nice. Now go to the top view and add a cube and move it to the center. Then press S8. Select scale tool and scale up to the whole scene. To the shading tab. Add a new material. Delete the principal shader and add principal volume. And connect it to the volume. Then add 0.1 in the density. Nothing happens because we have not applied rotation and scale to the cube. For that, take your mouse cursor on the above window and press Ctrl A, then select scale and rotation. When the volumes occur, go to the layout. If you are facing problem with the cube in the solid view, follow these steps, you will see the cube in the wire form. If you have a low specs PC, then you can hide all the collection instance that your computer do not get sucks. Then click on the camera and increase the timeline little bit and give a animation of 120 frame. Go to the 0 on the timeline and enter keyframe on location X. Go to the last frame on the timeline and enter 20 on the location X and enter keyframe. To the render view and see your animation. Now we will add neon sci-fi triangle. After adding a cone, see a menu in the bottom left corner, add cone. Click on it before clicking anywhere else, otherwise it will disappear, and copy all my settings. Now move the cone little bit upward with the help of Move tool, then type RY90. For the rotation, apply the rotation by pressing Ctrl A, selecting rotation. Then rotate it on the X-axis for the better view. Also play with the location X. Then add a wireframe modifier to the cone and increase the thickness up to 0.4. Adjust the location and rotation up to your satisfaction. Then go to the render view and add a material to the cone. Add a new material and add emission and give a strength of 100. Change the color pink or whatever you want. Then go to the render setting and turn on all the 3 options. Bloom is very important. Click on the bottom plane and add icosphere. Set it outside the frame. Click on the plane and go to the particle setting. the plus icon, then here, and add 100 in the number. Then go to the render and select object, then select icosphere. Increase the randomness completely and give a scale of 0.01. Then select icosphere, give the material same as the cone. If you want the particle little bit upward, click on icosphere, then press tab for edit mode. Select move tool. Now if you move the icosphere, the particles started moving inside. Now adjust the particle according to your need. Tab key again for object mode. If you change the scale size, then you have to adjust the icosphere again in the edit mode. Now if you play the animation, the camera will move without the triangle. For the movement of triangle with the camera, click on the triangle, then camera, and then press Ctrl P and select object. Now the triangle will move along with the camera. Now unhide all the hidden parts. Then go to the printer icon and select your location in the output. Then follow my settings for saving your animation. Just select lossless or high quality according to your computer. Then render animation.